Got myself in a bind, making it down to time. Hello, it's me, I'm Doctor Who. It's the pilot, let it be for you. Your pilot for Doctor Who, animated spin-off. Hey. We got links, I'll check 'em. I'll send people to rack 'em. Please go into the description and go support that man's vision. Please. Oh. Gumball Machine is a real big man. Send your ass down in description, please. Support that man's new old plan. Can't you see? I give a damn. Anyways, let's begin. This gives me like Craig of the Creek vibes.
Oh no, the slushy machine's out of order. Oh really? Yeah. Well, why isn't there a sign? That's stupid. It broke like right now. I already called the guy for it.
What the fuck?
You guys seen like a big cockroach around? I lost mine.
Cockroach jar? Jesus.
Is that him? Fucking no. Oh, it's right there. What? You.
I want to fight it. I want to violently fight that now. You don't show up in my fucking slushy machine without getting punched. We're punching it.
What is that cockroach?
Not you pulling in the TFT music. Oh hell no!
Holy shit! What are you doing? Give me a minute. Oh, red.
Not you spraying yourself.
Wait, I'm wearing glasses.
Damn.
I don't have money for the bug spray. I live in a box, so.
Wow. This incarnation of the Doctor is a bitch. Not him parking it seems crazy. Does he have a companion or is he just solo?
Oh my god. No. No.
Oh my god. Well, he got two.
What is this? Oh wow, I'm gonna puke.
Why did you come in?
Why would you follow me in? That doesn't make any sense. It was her idea, man. What do you expect? What just happened to me was the most interesting thing that's happened to me in a week. A week? I don't want to get into it. Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to get back to a planet. Zip it. Oh no.
Ah shit.
Alright, just gonna... There we go.
Damn.
Alright, see? There we go. Things worked out. So, the box is like a spaceship? Huh? Oh, yeah, and a time machine. Okay. Oh, I'm the Doctor, by the way. That's not a name. Paige. Okay. Beck. Oh my god.
Oh
wow.
shit.
Okay, you know,
Let's get out of here.
That's just nature at that point.
Hey. 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 Okay. Dropping that beat, make my way down way. I don't know who. Motherfucker stay with me and a dude. Man, I got me a new dude and I got full boot. Motherfucker come with the crew and I got myself a new way. Wait, motherfucker go ahead and a new face. Wait. Rhinestones on my neck, what's K Juice? Got myself a new way, new cooler. Motherfucker, I'm a real little cool. Let's see how I'm a real old dude. Hey, I got two companions, this is random life and race. I'm talking about gibberish. Don't you see how I'm feeling? I got my way. Hey, it's coming out here like the Fibonacci code, and I got myself. I'm really just cold. I got. Seriously, this is just me trying to freestyle with no warning and no prep because I didn't realize we were going to get a trap remix. I should have really read the description like that. But like, trap remix? I'm going to listen to that again on my own version. But hold up, check it. Just check it. Is there a part two? Nah, it's crazy, crazy as fuck. Anyways, um, no, I'm gonna like, comment, subscribe. I want y'all to go out there and check these people out, please. Support the original motherfuckers. I'm gonna rewatch this soon. On my own time after stream. But please go out there, check out the original, have fun, vibe, like, comment, subscribe, and do your best to be good people. Besides that, yeah, I think that's generally it, right? Bye 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 bye.